explain you how you can add image data set via image data source via CSV. So coming to AI agents and our data source. So we have to select CSV text plus image, and now naming it, let me name it as pizza restaurant menu, and let me give a reference. Now coming to CSV part. So CSV part, you have to make two columns. One is text, one is image. In text you can have, okay, maybe like say you can have any text. It could be name of the image, description of the image. In case of restaurant menu, it could be the price of this image. It could be anything. Okay. So similarly over here, and in second column you should have image. So here you have to upload the link of the, here you'll have to paste the link of the image. So let's say if you have a web page, you can just copy the image link and then you can paste it. So now coming back to here. So after, once you have done with this, now you will have to download it in .csv. So once you download it in .csv, we have got this here. So now I'll upload it. Now you have to select text column. So this is our text column and this is our image column. And see how we can bring that, how we can connect the data sources we have uploaded to the assistant. So starting with and clicking on show images, so that like whenever user asks for any relevant image, it shows, like it is seen in the chat. And writing our prompt here. Okay, exiting it, assistant added. Now we will have to connect it to data source. So here we go to the data source of this assistant link. Now we will create a widget and test it out. So now we will see how to like now we will see how, like how the images will look like in the chart widget. So I'll just say, and as you can see, this is how it will look like. So that's it. Thank you.